Welcome back to the hive, my bumblebees. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a eyebrow tutorial, okay? And yeah, in my last video I did the process of these snake bites. So if you haven't already, check that out, please. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss anything that I post. Like and comment styles of makeup trends that I should try in future videos or that I should just try in general. Today we're going to be using the Magic Flower 24-hour liquid long wear gel, eyeliner gel. We're going to be using also a toothbrush, LA Colors Concealer Correct, tapered angled brush, usually used for eyeliner and stuff like that. And then we have a fluffy flat brush. Setting powder, I got this off the Shein, so that's why I have the little stickiness. Or whatever. Let's get into it, okay? So first, this comes in two colors, brown and black. For me, I have black eyebrows, so we're just gonna be using the black one. And since this flashlight is on, I don't know where my peripheral vision is messed up right now. So I'm gonna just use this mirror and hopefully I hope that you guys can see everything I'm doing. But yeah, we'll just take these bad boys off. Okay, we're gonna take our tapered angled small brush and we're just gonna dip in there. Well, I'm gonna make sure it's flat first because I want fine edges. And then just wipe the excess off on the side. You don't want too much. This goes a little bit, goes a long way, okay? So I'm blind as fuck, so I can't see nothing, guys, but I hope you guys can see everything. But okay. Let me push back my wig a little bit so y'all can see like close up everything. Don't mind my big ass wig, okay, bitch? I'm just playing. Okay, you just wanna make sure you stay inside the line of your eyebrows. So inside, bring it to the down bottom, and I usually just start in the middle. I want some darkness down here too, so we're just gonna do that. Sometimes I just do a lot in the bottom and then I'm filling in the empty space. Alright, so now we're gonna take our toothbrush. We're just gonna move that bitch in here. We're gonna try to bring some of that black product to the front so it's like ashy in the front. You see what I mean? Like ashy. It's ashy. Let me make sure the camera's focused because I want to make sure I look good, but I also want to make sure y'all see everything. For the end, I just bring it back in. Cause it's like, you don't want too much like gel everywhere. Cause as you can see, it's starting to come out or whatever. Okay, let's do this side. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. You wanna, okay, I hope this is more detailed, but you're gonna start off in the middle, okay? Make a line falling to the edge. Down, same to top. The edge. You want to fill in the middle. Then with whatever's left, you want to make a small. Oh, that ain't small. We're gonna roll with it though, y'all. That ain't small, but hopefully it works. Go the natural way, your eyebrows, baby girl. Okay. And you just want to bring most of that stuff into your eyebrows, so you can get all those empty parts. Like, cause I got like a scar right here, as you guys can see, a scar. Yeah. And using this stuff, you can just fill it up, hide it, nobody notices. So it's like, and if you have missing spots, just bam. I feel like this is not too hard to do. I feel like this is the easiest part of makeup. Well, I shouldn't say that because makeup is about diversity and people have different eyebrows. I mean, I'm blessed.
I was blessed by my mommy.
But to the girlies out there, if you follow this, I'm pretty sure you're bound to achieve the same look that we're going for, you know? Okay. So now you want to just take that fluffy brush and your LA Colors or your just concealer. We're just gonna call this concealer. Your concealer. I usually start from the middle because it gives me like a line. Because I like things to be symmetrical. I like my eyebrows to be sisters. Most of the time twins, but the way my eyebrows are built, they're sisters, they're not twins. So I also go where like the end of my arch goes to, so I can line it up. I'm just grabbing a little bit off of it. And you don't want to swipe it because half the time you can get like a lot of product and it builds up, and so like you might get uneven eyebrows. So I just tap, 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 tap. Makeup is all about patience, baby girl. Okay? It's all about patience. I might bring this line up a little more because I don't want my eyebrows to look arched. I also like to go with the shape of my nose bone and my T-zone. Just make it look natural, you know? So, since I'm running out of product, it is starting to blend with the concealer, the black. So I'm just going to grab a whole bunch more and blot it under that line so it's not looking gray. And I'll just use that extra product. I can use that extra product, yeah. Sorry if I'm yelling at y'all, I'm sorry. I have not done videos in a long time, so it's like, I don't know what my quality sounds like, I don't know anything, but we're jumping back into the side. Now, onto the side. I just know naturally though, the top part of my eyebrows, always like, it's usually like the end of your eyeball, if you're just looking, I don't know. I'm not an expert, y'all, but I do know my ways. And if you wanna achieve a baddie look like I do, I would just follow to the end, okay? Okay, I'm gonna just add some concealer because I know it's like, it's dry. This is old ass concealer, y'all. This is concealer from like, maybe like 2 years ago. Probably since like 2022, 23. And it's 24, y'all, so like, and then I just make like blocks. My eyebrows are blocky, so y'all, I like the blocked brow effect. Makes it look like it's there. Now, when we come to these corner parts, I just like to start at the top and swipe down. I don't care if I'm going through my eyebrow too, I just swipe, 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 swipey, swipe. Swiper, no, swiper.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
But,
Thanks for helping us
okay, when we get to the middle part right here, okay, I'm just as close as the camera so y'all can see.
How you do that?
You see that? I just went straight. But I don't like how my eyebrows are. So, well, my eyebrows are more curved, they're not like, so I'm gonna just swoop that corner. And swoop it over a little more if I need to. Yo. Yeah, dang, this is healing low-key. It's healing. Alright, onto the side, corner. Swipe down. Usually when I do this side of the eyebrow, I can't see nothing. So it's like, this eyebrow sometimes comes out sharper, better. I don't know what it is. Bitch, I'm blind, like I said before. I'm blind. So just swipe across. And then that corner, just swoop, 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 swoop. Yeah. So, I know what y'all gonna say, using concealer at the top of your eyebrows is crazy. But since I'm gothic, like, I like to look super pale. But for you guys who wanna go for that natural look, I would use your foundation at the top. So more of a skin tone look instead of the yellow bright concealer, okay? So, now we have our sponge. It's already pre-soaked, but I just wanna make sure everything blends. Because when it blends, it looks natural, okay? Okay, so, now that my sponge is wet, like, I'm barely touching the line, but like, I'm making sure I'm getting most of this product right here and bringing it down and away from my eyebrows. Because you don't want to get none of the concealer on your eyebrows. Just in the middle though. Just in the middle. Blend that hoe. Blend that hoe because you don't want super blocky brows. Blend that hoe. Blend it, bitch. Alright. So, I'm just going to keep going here too, doing that. Away from the brows, because you want to preserve everything. Okay, bitch, preserve everything. Also, don't be in my comments, even though nobody will be in my comments talking shit. Don't be in my comments talking about, oh, you cuss too much. Bitch, I'm grown, I'm 21, we're putting it out there now. My birthday was just recent, so it's like, my birthday passed. Don't do too much. I'm 21, I'm an adult. Like we all are. I'm pretty sure half of the people watching are the people from high school, so it's like, hey. Also, friends and family, y'all already know how it is. You know, I be fucking in it. Oh, I just messed up. Why'd I do that? I always do that. This is oil control powder, and I always use a wet freaking sponge. Don't do that. You're gonna get textured makeup, okay, baby girl? Don't do that. What I meant to do was get this brush, my war brush. Yeah, that's what I call my brushes. My war sponge, my war brush, because I barely clean them. Don't do that. you're gonna get an infection, okay? But I don't clean my brushes, and yeah. So just powder that. Who cares if you get white over the black? It's okay. We can go in later if you want and put enhancements to it. So you really want a light, fluffy ass brush, like the lightest, fluffiest brush you can get. Like, doesn't hold much when you pick up stuff with, right? So my eyebrows, they turned a little bit white, grayish. We like that, it looks natural, right? But I'm gonna just go in with a regular palette. We're gonna go in black. We're just gonna dust the babies back up because I like a dark brow. Like, don't get me wrong. I like a dark brow. Then I'm gonna go back in with that toothbrush. And I'm just gonna stray my hairs back and make it look neat as possible. That end. Not now. It's telling me something about storage. I'm like, girl, I know I don't got enough storage. Y'all can wait. Fuck my phone. This is a completed brow look. I don't know why I'm saying this. I'm gonna stop. You're scary. Okay. This is the brow. The brows. Stop being weird, bitch. Okay, just put your glasses on. Get back to it. Okay. These are the brows, you guys. I'm going blonde because the light is like on my face, but in the next video we're gonna be covering the base, okay? So stay tuned for that in the next video. And if you enjoyed the video, like, comment so we can chat it up, and see you the next time, my bumblebees. Let's swarm the internet.